Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on July 25, 2022, 4-star Sudoku. Column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column H and second row, we have pair numbers 9 and 6. So 9 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. Column G, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column H, column I, we have 4. Fifth row, 7th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column I, 7th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. 6th grade. 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 8, 6. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Second row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column H, we have 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the two cells. Column J, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 6th grade, only one number is remaining. 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column H, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. 8th row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Second row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 9. Column E, column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, 9th row, column F, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 9th row, 10th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column B, column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column D, 8th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Since 5 is here, so 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 8th row, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 7th grade, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 9. Column E, column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. There are only 2 numbers are remaining, 2, 1, 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Tenth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 7. It will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Second grade and 8th grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells, then 9 is confirmed here. 5th row, 6th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells, then 9 is confirmed here. 7th row, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 3rd row and 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, column D, we have 9. 4th row also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column B, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column G, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 5th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 5th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column G, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Since 7 is here, so 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Second grade, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 4th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column E, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 3rd row, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Column C, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. 4th grade, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 6th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. 4th row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.